Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Put your hands on your heart. Close your eyes. And with your eyes comfortably closed, I would like you to first get present to the space around you, especially around your head, and observe that it is quieter than what it used to be 10 days back. And it's getting better from here. Now expand your awareness beyond your physical body, beyond your room, beyond your city, beyond your country, beyond the entire planet, beyond all the other planets, the entire galaxy and all the galaxies and the universe and all the universes. And notice you are everywhere. Wherever you go, you are there. You are an infinite being, having a physical body. There are many lives you have lived before this, and there will be many lives you will live after this, if you choose to. And now, take your attention to the planet Earth, and from that space of expansion, infiniteness, observe how you are energetically connected to the Mother Earth. You are connected to the earth. When you heal yourself, you heal the earth. When you are happy, the earth is happy. Now, take your attention to your physical body. Invoking the white light from the universe. and Archangel Uriel. With bright light. Uriel is known as the light of God. Shows up to give you clarity. Clarity is amazing. If you can have ease and clarity in your life, you can have everything else. You can create everything else. Allow Archangel Uriel to contribute to you, to gift you with the light of God that gives you clarity. Clarity in every situations of your life. Clarity with your current situations. Clarity about who you really are, what you are here for, and how can you have more peace, more happiness in your life. For some of you, clarity may be boring, as you have trapped yourself in the trauma and drama and anxiety of this reality, which keeps you always at the edge of your adrenaline rush. Yet allow yourself to calm down, to relax. Allow yourself to enjoy the joy of relaxation. There is great power in relaxation. Allow this bright white light mixed with sparkles of yellow move from the top of your head slowly and gradually through every cell of your body. Okay. Releasing all the cellular memories, implants, explants, things that has done to you, that were done to you in this life or any other lifetime, or the conclusions you made in this life or any other lifetime, that keeps you in doubt, that keeps you trapped, that keeps you away from your truth. Let it all release. Allow this white light move through every cell of your body, right from the top of your scalp all the way down, slowly and gradually to the tips of your toes at its own pace. Releasing all the energy blockages and filling you up with a sparkle of joy and clarity. My angels are telling me that what we are doing here today and these days, all these days, is magical. It is contributing to the planet in multiple ways. to each and every one of you, and through each and every one of you. This vibration, this energy is flowing to the planet. Allow yourself to be the torch bearer. Commit to joy and clarity now. And don't seek for validation. Once you have the clarity, no one has to validate it. Because you may now begin to know the esoteric secrets of the world that are yet not known to the mankind. Allow yourself to receive them from your angels and be the ones to spread that magic on the planet by first working on yourself, by first transforming your life, allow yourself to receive the energy from the Mother Earth. All the way up to the crown chakra. Sometimes just saying hello to the earth is good enough. How many of us just take from the earth without even thanking the earth, without even acknowledging the earth? The earth is a living being too. Acknowledge it. The Gaia, as they call it. Thank you, Earth. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Uriel. And don't be surprised if you just suddenly find yourself to just have clarity about things as Uriel is with you now. Take a long, deep breath in and let go. And whenever you are ready, slowly and gradually, you can open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax and just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.